When business owners are looking for deposit accounts, they're looking for three main things. How do I accept payments? How do I protect my funds? So fraud prevention tools. And then how do I get service? So let's talk about the payment acceptance, because that's the technology piece that banks really need to focus on, because the way business owners get paid has fundamentally changed. The check's no longer coming in the mail. And instead, those customers are pulling out their card for those payments. And so now business owners have to scramble, have to find ways to accept card payments, because they need those funds deposited into their account to get access to working capital, to pay their bills, and to pay their people. Business owners are looking to change the way they accept payments. They're moving away from cash and check, and they're needing to accept digital-based payments. Banks need to respond. We need to provide the tools that a business owner needs to accept payments in-app or online. So that can start to take a couple of different forms. Digital invoicing, so I can send a digital invoice to a customer so that they can pay that online or remotely. A link on my website, so that somebody can easily click it for a buy now or a donate now option, or in-app payments. So now if I'm in front of a customer, instead of taking a check, taking a picture of that check, depositing those funds in my account, the customer's now holding out a card. What do? I can key in those payments now. I could maybe take a picture of the card. Some technology allows you to do that. Take a picture of the card to initiate the payment, or I could hold out my phone. Tap to pay technology now allows a business owner to simply hold out their phone. The customer can tap a card, can tap another mobile wallet, initiate the payment. Those funds get deposited back into the account at the financial institution. And this is important because if they don't use a bank tool to get paid, you're going to see a decline in the deposit profile of that business customer. We ran the data, and what we found is if a business owner uses a third-party tool to get paid, for every $1 that gets deposited into the bank account, $7 stays in the third-party app. Meaning that if you don't provide the way for the business owner to get paid, you're gonna see a decline in that deposit of the business owner. What do business owners look for in a business checking account experience? Let's start with where they look for a business checking account. They're looking online. Are they going directly to your website, or are they being navigated to your website from somewhere else? Are they going into a Google search? What does your SEO look like? How are you targeting them? But did you know the number one place that business owners search for business checking account experiences is YouTube? Are you on YouTube? Are you using YouTube at all? The one thing I can tell you is I know who's using YouTube: NerdWallet, Square, PayPal, QuickBooks, and more. And what they're doing is when business owners are searching for, how do I start a business? What tools do I need for business payment acceptance? How do I start a checking account? Other banks, big banks, third-party tools are coming up and not you. So now think about going to your bank's website, going to business checking and looking at the details of that account. Are you talking more about check capture payments, cash deposits, more so than digital payments or merchant services or the treasury services that you offer? If you are, then you're probably not setting yourself up for success. Business owners need to get paid through digital payments or through card payments today. That's what they prioritize. So let's start with repositioning, remarketing, reimagining the checking account experience around how do businesses get paid today through card payments, digital payments, online payments, and more. And let's start the conversation there.